Are you tired of struggling with hemochromatosis? Introducing the Ironbound program by Shelly Manning, your comprehensive solution for iron overload. Hemochromatosis is a genetic condition causing excessive iron absorption in the body. It can lead to serious health complications, including liver failure and heart disease. This groundbreaking program offers a natural approach to help manage and reduce iron levels effectively. Discover 3 key advantages. First, the Ironbound program features 5 unique superfoods that help reduce iron absorption naturally. Second, it's a simple, user-friendly guide designed for everyone, regardless of medical background. Third, it utilizes proven methods without harmful side effects. So, how does it work? The Ironbound ebook guides you through essential dietary changes, focusing on those superfoods that combat hemochromatosis effectively. It's straightforward. Incorporate these foods into your meals to prevent iron overload. Imagine enjoying meals while actively managing your health. Use Ironbound not just to combat symptoms but also to enhance your overall well-being. It encourages a healthier lifestyle, granting you freedom from the daily struggle of managing hemochromatosis. But don't just take our word for it. Many users have reported significant improvements, feeling healthier and more energetic after just a few weeks. Shelly Manning has built this program on years of research, ensuring it's a credible resource for those seeking relief. In summary, the Ironbound program empowers you to reclaim your health without the need for invasive treatments or expensive medications. Experience a transformative approach to managing hemochromatosis. Looking to improve your health? Head over to Shelly Manning Ironbound's official website by clicking the link below. Enjoy a special discount and begin your journey towards a healthier, happier you. Don't hesitate, your well-being is only a click away.